On the beat like I'm on the street. Had to let it eat. Never lift if you catch my drip. Chase down the fastest whip. Talk is cheap and so are you. Slide with the 2 Life crew. Getting paper is what we do. Even my mama too. Ball hard like the playoffs. Take no days off. I've been working this weight off. I'm still eating that cake, bruh. I'm just trying to get it raced, dog. Drink water, get paid, dog. Damn. Alright. Okay, get a little something.
They one with me.
Let me listen up. Chill, please. Chill, please. Money kinda short, but it's chill. Please. Money kinda short, but it's still chill. Chill. I do be rocking though. I might cycle, pray in public if my head'll make it move. Different mixtures in my cup depending on my mood. I almost lost my life, I should've never took that cruise. I lost so many loved ones, my heart is so confused. Change is good for you, change is good for me. You live and you learn, this life ain't for free. All my hoes call me handsome, I forgot my name. I won't point the finger, but my mom the one to blame. I'm on my second life, I'm saying grace. Rest in peace to Two Dope, no one can take his place. They say you live and learn, I did all of that. Your loyalty, what is it worth? I need all of that. Chicken, chill please. I'm glad the niggas missed. Chill nigga, your wife be sucking dick. Liaisons with your man, get out your feelings guys. 2 or 3, just know it's Tony World until a nigga die. Tony World. Chill, please. Money kinda short, but it's still cheese. Chill, please. It's gon' get better, nigga. Chill, please. Chill, please. I know businessmen, but they still thieves. Chill, please. The hoe, she and her.
Is he protesting right now? We still recording? Oh yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3 cars. I can't hear what he yelling. The bike's too loud. You think they want to rev? I think they want to. Quick 40. That was an accident though.
ghetto nigga, I'm in the stool. Cracking Pat round in the lot, pouring some for two. My plate full, I wish I could say the same for you. I no longer have to keep this between me and you. If you had a full plate, you wouldn't know what to do. All that damn stressing.
That come down is the shit. That is the shit. That's the fucking bee's knees, boy. No kizzy. Oh, okay, get your workout on. Everybody get your roll on. Oh yeah, see this is where the police are at. I don't think I want to go that way. Hey, I'm tight. Probably protesting something that's worth protesting, but I'm good, Pots. I'm good, Puts. I'm on the coochie scroll, chilling, looking for the coochie hoes. I need some coochie though. Nigga, no cap. I need a coochie hoe. Take the sidewalk? No. That would have been my smooth one. I want to see if I can hear what this dude's saying. Oh yeah, probably not over the bike. Excuse me. Sorry, YouTube. Ooh, I like Jeeps. Okay. I had a dream. Hey yo! It's probably the quicker way. I got everything I wanted. And did you think? And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. For anyone that might care. I stepped on the corner. Nobody even noticed right there. Might care. No. Crazy ass bitch. Everything I wanted. When I wake up, I see with me.
And the niggas start progressing. You can't lean on me forever. Time is of the essence. Lil' Tony gone forever, and I can't accept it. Day to day, I send her hearts through Facebook message. I can't learn to let go, so I stay stressing. I put my hand on my head, and I stay guessing. Like, you ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. You ain't seen me, I ain't. My pillow full of tears while I'm laying in the bed. All this looking back I do, it's hard to look ahead. I got a monkey on my back, blitzed on meds. I'm tired of losing fam. Rest in peace, kid, they killed you. But to me, you ain't dead. Damn. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. You ain't seen me, I ain't. Bitch, I got a lot to eat, I got a full plate. I know a disloyal bitch that want a clean slate. She know she played herself, it's a little too late. Don't say you different from the rest when you really ain't. Fuck you, drink water, get paid. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. Don't even look for me, you don't need to. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. I had a full plate, last time I seen you. I had a full plate. You know what I mean? I'm trying to let your soul rest, but I need you. You ain't seen me, I ain't seen you. 20 world forever, man. Paradise for a go. You know what I mean? Man, go. Bless you. Go.
For real.
All the way around the board. Huh?
Shit,
See
I'm about to
me,
go show
I
Bobby
see
the
you.
video so I can upload this shit. This nigga
Word.
high, so I can the texting him is not announcing this shit.
Go to affiliate.
He cut it off or he got it off? I didn't hear you again. He cut it off or he got it off?
Shout out everybody grinding for a reason, man.
Oh, okay. I thought that's what he meant when he said he took the plea.
Drink water, get paid.
Shit,
Never
let me
live.
know. I
MB4L.
show his ass the mic.
Money problems. Word.
Alright. Yep. I got the screen. They call me weak. Like I'm not just somebody's daughter. It could have been a nightmare. It felt like they were right there. And it feels like every day was a year ago. And I don't wanna.
Man, QC on this bitch, man. Shit add up, man. Look, I'm a road runner. If you can't catch me, you can't stop me, nigga. Look. I'm a road runner. Catch me if you can, I'm a road runner. Flash you with these bands, I'm a road runner. Tryna catch a meal, I'm a road runner. I'm a road runner. Catch me if you can, I'm a road runner. Flash you with these bands, I'm a road runner. Tryna catch a meal, I'm a road runner. Flash you with these bands, I'm a road runner. Catch me if you can, I'm a road runner. Catch me what you can, I ain't stopping. Flash you with these bands, I ain't stopping. Throw me a meal, I'ma catch it, no play option. Touchdown on the play, you should've had some better blockers. I'm a road runner. Can't nobody stop me, I'm a road runner. Catch me if you can, I'm a road runner. Flash you with these bands, I'm a road runner. Tryna catch a meal, I'm a road runner. Tryna catch a meal, I'm a road runner. Stop chasing me and chase the pay. Mind your business, fuck get pushed out the way. I'll roll when I feel like it. Rich nigga, you can't live like it.
Roll runner in the streets, roll runner in the beat, roll runner about my cheese, yeah, I'm all about my cheese, roll runner about the cheese, niggas call me Big Greedy, niggas call me Big Blake, niggas call me Big K, niggas always talking shit, bitch, I'm all about my chip, niggas talking all that shit, bitch, I'm all about my chip, it's money bound on tip, nigga, bitch, up on my dick, nigga, you ain't talking shit, nigga, you ain't about that chip, nigga,
You ain't about that chip, nigga. I buy bottles, not bitches. If the pussy wet, the chances is I hit it. If she sucking dick, Brody hit it.
Brody hit it, Brody split it, I gotta get that cash, and I spin it, get it back, and I stack it up real quick, and I'm in the trap, now I'm flying, in the clock, yeah, I punch the clock, in the basement, get chicken, nigga, fuck up, I'm buy my riches, buy my chicken, get my own business, yeah, I'm still jigging, yeah, shut up, got a couple bucks, never lift shit, let it eat. Goddamn, me your bitch, yeah, she let it eat. She let me skeet up on her face. Hey, do the race. Skirt, do the dash, damn, do the race.
Yeah, bitch, we gon' do the race. Yeah, bitch, we pulling up in the race. Yeah, bitch, we gon' get this cake. And yeah, bitch, shit out up every day. And yeah, bitch, we gon' do what he gotta do. Yeah, bitch, we gon' get this cake until we see what he gotta do. And yeah, bitch, we gon' talk the shit until your bitch do what she gotta do. And yeah, bitch, if she don't do dick, she gotta do too. Shit out up.